Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. On a 50 MW site, manual inspections feel manageable until you zoom out. Now ask yourself how many of these rows were actually checked this month and how many faults were missed. Manual spot checks don't fail because they're wrong. They fail because they don't scale. Today, I'll walk you through what manual inspections get right. I'll show where they break and how AI-assisted platforms change the game. Let's start inside the platform with manual inspection logs. Manual inspections still have real strengths. First, context awareness. Humans see nearby construction, dust, vegetation shading, and physical damage. These are things raw data doesn't always explain. Second, low-tech simplicity. No drone, no advanced setup, just walk the site, log issues, and fix simple faults. Third, immediate fixes. Technicians can resolve small issues instantly without waiting for analysis cycles. So manual inspections aren't the problem. Scale is. Now let's look at the same site through the platform lens. Coverage gaps are the first problem. Even strong teams only cover a fraction of the site regularly. At 50 MW, there are thousands of modules and hundreds of strings. Most go unchecked. Inconsistency is the second problem. Different technicians create different standards and conditions vary by day. No consistent baseline emerges. Documentation gaps are the third problem. No timestamp alignment, no GPS mapping, no repeatable evidence. That makes it hard to track degradation, support warranty claims, or prioritize fixes. Manual inspections don't fail in execution. They fail in systemization. Now let's switch to AI-assisted inspection inside the platform. Step 1. Full site coverage. One flight equals entire site scanned with no blind spots. Step 2. Automated detection. The platform identifies hotspots, soiling clusters, and string mismatches instantly at scale. Step 3. Asset mapping. Every issue is tied to exact panel, string, and inverter, removing ambiguity in field action. Step 4. Time to insight. What used to take days happens in minutes. This isn't replacing inspections. It's making them complete, consistent, and actionable. Let's quantify this inside the platform. Manual inspection costs include high labor hours, travel, downtime, and limited coverage. Cost per MW stays high and value per MW stays low. AI-enabled workflows lower marginal cost per inspection and provide full site coverage per scan. Cost per MW decreases and value per MW increases. Manual, spend more and see less. AI-assisted, spend smarter and recover more energy. The real shift happens when the platform connects detection, ticketing, field action, and reporting, so every issue becomes a task with location, priority, and proof. And every fix becomes verified, documented, and trackable. So how do you decide what to use? Keep manual when sites are small, fixes are simple, and complexity is low. Augment with AI when you have medium-scale portfolios, repeated inspections, or need better visibility. Automate when you manage 30 MW or more, face high financial exposure, or need consistent auditable workflows. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.